Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make banana fritters, which makes for an amazing breakfast dish, and you can even have it for desserts. So without any further ado, let's get started. First we are going to take one whole egg, around 150 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 ml of milk, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, around 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, vanilla essence, and 3 bananas. Now I'm going to take a big bowl and then I'm going to sift the flour to make sure that I remove all the lumps. Here we have completely sifted the flour, and you can use oats if you want a healthier option. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, around 100 grams of powdered sugar, that is approx 4 tablespoons, around 200 ml of milk, I'm going to throw in 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence, and then 1 whole egg. You can skip the yolk if you want to and only use the egg whites, but I've used a whole egg. We have to stir the batter until it gets a thick paste-like consistency. In a separate plate, we are going to take the 3 bananas and cut them into pieces. We need to mash these bananas before we are going to put it in the batter. So you can use a fork like me. And then evenly mash all of the bananas. I'm going to throw in a pinch of salt just for taste. Now we are going to add the mashed bananas into the batter. Keep on stirring it. Also, another note, if you are a vegetarian, you can completely skip adding the egg. Now that we have prepared the batter, I'm going to take oil in a hot pan and keep it on a medium flame. Make sure that the oil is spread evenly on the pan. Now we are going to take scoops of the batter and slowly drop it into the pan. The fritters are basically moist in the center and they are very crispy at the edges. Since we are using all-purpose flour, the batter will cook really fast. So make sure you don't heat it for too long on one side, otherwise it will get burnt. So we are going to flip it now. Make sure that the fritter don't break. I'm having a hard time with this one. You have to heat it until it's beautifully golden and tap it with the spatula to make sure that it cooks really well. It has come out nice and crispy and soft, so it's ready to plate. Our banana fritters are completely ready, and to add to that, you can just add a bit of chocolate syrup like I have done, or you might use a little bit of Nutella with ice cream if you want to go a little bit extra. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If there's any particular recipe that you'd like me to make in the next vlog, then please mention it in the comment section below. And until then, enjoy your banana fritters. Bye.